Hello guys, today I will show you how to make multiple OS USB. It means you can have different OS in the Windows, Mac OS, Linux, or different any OSs in one single USB stick, and you can install whichever you like. If you insert to the PC and if you boot from the USB, it will show all the OS. So you can select whichever you like, you can install it. Okay guys, so what you need, I have Windows 7.1 OS iOS image, and Windows 10 old version image, Windows 10 latest one, and Windows 11. So I have these four, so I will show you how to do with these four. Okay guys, go to Google, type Ventoy in the search. You will see the main page of Ventoy here. So go to download. Then if you have Windows PC, you can download the Windows one. If you have Linux, you can download second one. So just click the link so you can download it. So I have already downloaded. This is the compressed folder. I will extract here. Okay, so once I extracted, I got the file. I will open this one. I will open. Guys, before that you need to have a USB stick connected to your PC. So I have 64 GB. So if you're all the image, the file size, check whether it's above the USB size. So I have 16 GB. So my USB is 64 GB. So it's below this my USB size capacity, so it's enough. So if you want to use, you have a good capacity USB, so you will able to keep multiple OSs. Okay guys, so what you do, you open the Ventoy. You can see here Ventoy 2 disk, double click. So it will automatically select the USB which you have connected. I have 64 GB. Just click install and yes. Okay guys, once you install, your USB will break to two partitions. Okay, one partition you will see in your PC, which you can copy and paste these image files. Okay, other partition is it's hidden, so you will not able to see. So I will show you how to see that one. So installation is done. We go to control panel, then we can go to Windows tool. Inside Windows tool, you have to go computer management. So under computer management, you go to disk management. So if you go to disk management, here you can see here my USB 57 GB. It has 57 GB.58 for Ventoy and 32 MB FAT. There are two partitions right now. So I can see here my this PC only one partition. So in this partition, you have to just copy and paste or drag and drop these files. So it will take some time to get copy all these 16 GB. Okay guys, these all four files copied to USB. We'll open the USB. Let's check. Only like this. This is how you look in your USB. Looks like this one inside. There's nothing else. Just open the USB. You will see these four files. So if you want extra, you can just keep copy inside. Okay. If you want one more file, just drag and drop, copy and paste. That's it. So whatever, just put inside. It will you can see in the boot menu. Okay. When you boot this one from the USB, you will see in the menu this old file just with the same name. If you want to change the name, you can rename. That's it guys. Then now you can boot your PC with your USB. If you boot, you will see this one in the menu in the front. Okay, let's boot guys. Okay, my PC from the USB. Okay, so when I boot, you will see similar screen. This is the screen Ventoy. So I have my 4 ISO file here. You can use your arrow down up key to select which one you want. So if I need to use Windows 7, I press enter. So you will get this menu: boot in normal mode, boot in without mode, full checksum, return to previous menu. So I select first option, boot in normal mode. So a USB will boot the ISO. Press enter. So it will start to install Windows 7 right now. Okay guys, so this is how it's used, and let me know if you have any comment.